So hello everyone, today we are going to see the one problem which is from LeetCode May challenge, and the problem name is first unique character in a string. So what the problem says that you have given one string and you have to find the index of first unique character in a string. So what do you mean by a unique character? Unique character is a character which occurs in a string only single time. So let's suppose the string that you have given is LeetCode and the frequency of the character L is 1, E is 3. Means frequency means how many times the particular character has been occurred in the string. So E occurred 3 times, T occurs 1 time, C occurs 1 time, O occurs 1 time, and D also occurs 1 time. But you have to return the index of the character which is the first unique character in a string. In this string example, you can see L occurs 1 time, T occurs 1 time, C occurs 1 time, O occurs 1 time, and D also occurs 1 time. But L is the first character. L is the first character which is unique, which comes before all of the characters. I hope you got the problem. So how we are going to do this? So in this problem, as you can see, the L is a first non-repeating character. So how we are going to do this? We will make use of hashing for doing this problem. So how hashing will help in this? So firstly, we will be storing the frequency of each and every character at their respective position, such as A will be stored at 0, B will be stored at 1, and C will be stored at 2. Similarly, for Z will be stored at 25. So we will take one array of 26 size and initialize all the elements of the array with 0, and we will store the frequency of each of the character of the string. We will traverse the string, and when we will find that the element whose frequency is 1, then we will simply return the index of that element, because that element will be the first unique element in the string, because we will traverse the string from the start. How we are going to code this? So we will take one integer array of 26 size and we will traverse the string from starting. Okay, and what we will do, we will store the character at their respective position by subtracting it with by the ASCII value of A. Suppose the character come like A, so the ASCII value of A is 97, and 97 is subtracted with 97 is gives, and the result is turned out to be 0. So at 0 the frequency of A will be stored. Similarly for B, 98 minus 97, the frequency of B will be stored at the first position. Similarly for C, the frequency of C will be stored at the second position. Okay, similarly for all of the characters. So this is the basic idea behind this, and after storing the frequency, we know that how many times the particular character occurs in the string. We will check if the frequency of a particular character. So we have stored the frequency of the character at their positions, such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to find the frequency of the position. So how to find the frequency of the position of the A? Now for the first character, similarly subtract it from A and check if it is equals to 1. If the frequency of the character that is going to come in the string is 1, then eventually return the index of the particular character. Okay, so in this way we have solved the problem. So at last we will return the -1. Why? Because there could be a case that each character of the string has occurred more than one number of times, such as you can say this is the string love, okay, love. Okay, this is the string. So in this L has occurred 2 times, O has occurred 2 times, V has occurred 2 times, and E also occurred 2 times. So in this string there is no such character whose frequency is 1, so we will return the -1 because there is no unique character in the string. So we are interested in finding the unique character, and which is the first unique character. So we are traversing the string from the starting. So whenever we will find that the frequency of the character is 1 and the character are stored at their respective positions, such as 0 to 25. Okay, so we will return the index of that character to the function. This is the very easy problem that involves the use of the normal hashing. So let's see how to code this problem. So let's see the implementation of the code. So this is the problem that is given the first unique character in a string. So this is the string that you are given and it's a lit code. So the first unique character in this is L. So we will return the zeroth as the index and is the love lit code. So in this the first unique character is V, because V has occurred only single number of time, and which is and it is the first non-repeating character because we are traversing the string from the start. Okay, so what we have done, we have simply taken a one array of 26 size and stored the frequency of each and every character at the respective position from 0 to 25, and we will traverse the string from the start, and if the frequency of any character comes out to be 1, then we are simply returning the index of that character in the particular string, and if it is not so, then we are returning the -1 as an answer. So let's try to submit this and see whether our test cases are passing or not. So it is got accepted, as you can see. So I hope you like the video and you also like the solutions. So if you like the video, then go to our channel and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.